In northern Ghana, a dedicated non-governmental organization, Pan-African Organization for Research and Protection of Violence on Women and Children, in collaboration with ANESVAD Foundation, Ghana Health Service and CSOs gathered for a one-day workshop in Kintampo, driven by a common goal to eliminate skin-neglected tropical diseases or SKIN-NTDs. This workshop is made possible through the generous support of the ANESVAD Foundation, empowering communities to break free from the shackles of SKIN-NTDs. Participants exchanged ideas, shared knowledge, and built partnerships. Together, they formed a team for the SKIN-NTDs project, spearheaded by the Pan-African Organization. As the participants dived deep into discussions, they explored innovative strategies and interventions to tackle these devastating diseases. They recognized the importance of community engagement, empowering the people to take charge of their health and well-being. Speaking to Divine News, Director of Pan-African Organization, Dr. Peter Ndonwie, extended gratitude to the ANESVAD Foundation for their generous support, as well as the Ghana Health Service for their partnership and commitment.
Today we are in Kintampo South, which is one of the target districts where we are implementing a project to minimize the spread of SKIN-NTDs with sponsorship from ANESVAD Foundation and in collaboration with the Ghana Health Services also. The essence of this workshop today was to bring together some selected CSO, community service organization, and CSOs and NGOs and CBOs that we think that they can collaborate with us to be able to spread more our messages to reach wide and near, and obviously for them to also participate in the work that we are doing, because we believe that we cannot achieve the objective of this project without bringing everybody on board. And so we see the CSOs as key players in what we are doing. And so we brought them to build their capacity and also to support them now to go down on the field and continue the expansion of the work that we're doing. Obviously, we work and we came up with an action plan, what they have to do. And we believe that this action plan, which they have to start implementing from January, will take them to 2025 when the project will be phasing out. And then we will come to evaluate constantly what they are doing and also see what progress or the achievement they are actually getting from the work they are doing. And it's equally very important because ANESVAD is asking for the list of all these CSOs to be able to see how they can collaborate with them. So it's also a very good occasion because we have identified more than 30 CSO, but we have to screen it down to get those that we really know that they are active and they can do something, and that's why we brought them today.
The partners and volunteers leave with renewed energy, armed with knowledge, and equipped with a roadmap for action.
Previously, we didn't know much about NTDs, but today, this workshop has given us a lot of education on that. What I can say is that it requires that the government will prioritize issues of NTDs in Ghana, and also other research agencies can also actually go into researching into NTDs.
I've now known what the diseases are, and I know the preventions of those diseases. So what I learned here, I will send it home. Also educate colleagues, communities on how to protect themselves against such diseases, the preventions and the treatment of it.
I've now known NTDs is curable. It's not caused by curse or witchcraft and any other thing. It's curable. So I'm going back to my community as usual, do some identification and educate them on the cause and prevention and ways that we can eradicate or eliminate SKIN-NTDs.
Thanks to the ANESVAD Foundation's unwavering support, the Pan-African Organization takes a bold step forward in the fight against skin-neglected tropical diseases in Ghana. This collaboration lightens the path towards a future where every individual can live a healthy, dignified life free from the grip of SKIN-NTDs in Ghana.